Good morning, friends. Today I would like to talk about those people who just love to lie. Whenever they got an opportunity, they start speaking lies and big lies, and they call themselves your friends also. They are so called friends that they keep on showing that they are so true to you, they care about you so much. But in reality, they are those people who will not support you at all when you need them most. So, the question is what you can do to identify or recognize these kind of people. What is the best way to recognize these people as early as possible? So the best thing is you have to observe that what they talk about first of all. If they are talking about something about world, about different things which are not directly related with you or them, then this is the first sign. Second thing is these kind of people never talk about their emotional side. They never want to show that they have some kind of emotional weak points. If any person, if any person loves to talk about himself emotionally, not like financially that he's so rich or he's so great, not in that way. If any person is opening his or her weak side, emotional side, then you can consider that person as a genuine person, because that person, he is showing you his weaker emotional side, and because that person trusts you. If he is not comfortable with you and if he does not trust you, then he will not talk anything about his weak side. And I'm not talking about any particular gender, it could be male or female. That person needs lots of confidence and trust in you to speak what he feels emotionally. But what you will see, people are very comedians, like comical in talking conversations, that they think that they have to say jokes so that you can enjoy, you can consider them as a funny person, but they don't like you to view them as emotionally weak person. They don't want to show. Every person has emotional weakness until and unless they don't work on it. And it takes lots of time to make yourself completely emotionally strong. It needs years of practice. But if you don't do anything on your emotional area, then it is the weakest area. This is the reason that you can become depressed, because there is some ignorance about emotions. If you will understand your emotions properly, then what is there that can make you depressed? And sadly, when you go outside for study or education, everyone gives importance on the importance of logics, but no one tells you the importance of emotions. Logical intelligence is the topic which people talk a lot about, but what about emotional intelligence? Did you ever listen that anyone talking about emotional intelligence so much? Most of the time people don't even consider that emotional intelligence is any kind of intelligence. People believe that they know themselves the best. Really? No. If they know themselves the best, then why they feel so sad if someone says something which they do not agree with? If someone says that you are not good person, other person started feeling sad and depressed, that why people think like this about me. I'm not a bad person, I'm a good person. So the point is, I was talking about people friendship. So when you might be thinking sometimes that I asked a question to this person and this person straight away lied to me, and it's very obvious. But what is the point for lying? The simple reason is that person does not want to show their weakest emotional side because they have created a fake ego or fake impression that they are very strong. And because they are very strong, that gives power to their ego. Because this is ego means the image that you have created in front of people. Yes, I am strong, so respect me because I am strong person. And they have to maintain that thing. And it is all in their mind. They have to maintain that ego, otherwise people will not respect you. The fact is, people don't care about your ego or what exactly you think about yourself. People will only consider the way you behave with them. That's it. If you will behave very good to other person, very kind to other person, only that kindness will matter. What you think about yourself does not matter. If you genuinely want a relationship for the long run, you have to focus that is this person opening up emotionally? Is this person asking you things which are emotional about you? Because emotions means relations. If someone is talking about emotions, that person is talking about relationship. That person really genuinely want to be with you for the long period of time. So this is the thing which you should focus on your life, and you will definitely get some very good friends in your life if you will understand what I'm trying to say. Thank you.